In this video, we'll see how to make delicious and very simple coffee cupcakes. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need half cup milk. Heat milk and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add 3 tablespoons butter. I'm using salted butter because it actually adds a very nice taste to the cupcakes, but you may use unsalted butter. Once the butter melts, switch off the flame and let this milk cool down or at least become warm. After that, add 1 teaspoon vinegar or lemon juice. Make sure you do not add vinegar or lemon juice to the hot milk, else it will completely curdle. Keep it aside. Now take 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder and add 3 tablespoons hot water. Give this a mix and keep it aside. Let's get back to the milk mixture. So you can see it has slightly curdled, but still the whey has not completely separated, and this is perfect. Add the coffee mixture. Give it a good mix. Now sift together milk powder, all-purpose flour, sugar. You can actually add sugar to the liquid and then add the dry ingredients later. 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. What you can do, you can sift some dry ingredients at a time like I do mostly in my recipes. I like to use whisk for my cake batter, so initially I mix using whisk and then switch to a spatula. Make sure that you do not overdo or overmix the batter, otherwise your cupcake would not turn out fluffy. Gently fold and this batter is ready. Here I've got 9 paper cups. You can use silicone molds. So these are medium sized cups. I use ice cream scoop to drop in the batter because it makes it very easy, but you can use regular spoons. You can use 2 spoons. You can see the Kadhai or pressure cooker instructions on the screen, but I'm going to bake this in my oven, 170 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. The cupcakes are done. Next step is to let these cool down. You can place these on a wire rack or on a plate, cover with a cloth and let them cool down completely. Next, I'm going to do something extra and interesting. I'm taking out some cake from the inside, from the center. Using a fruit scoop to do this, you can use small spoon if you do not have a scoop like this. Then pour in some chocolate syrup or ganache, or you can fill in some Nutella. Here I've got whipped cream made from half cup whipping cream, and I'm adding cocoa powder and coffee powder to it. I'm using non-dairy whipping cream. It already has sugar in it. Just for some extra decoration, I'm just putting chocolate syrup randomly in my piping bag. This step is optional. I'm using a star tip, but you can use any tip, any piping nozzle. And this piping bag is ready. You can have these cupcakes just like they are right now, or you can sprinkle some instant coffee powder or some cocoa powder, whatever you would like to. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.